Some Say Calaz is also there in the place. So yeah, now go start with Say Calaz and then we deal with it with Charly a little more, yeah, straight. But right about now, Bandit.
Yo, Mkuru.
That's what I mean, I say.
That's not me, right?
That's what I mean. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to Chicago Bandit Festival, and yes, everybody's been waiting for this moment. And I told Father my league that Charly Black is in the building, and everybody was saying that we can't wait for this prestigious event. But I don't get it, Bandit.
Hakuna nguwa singashike. Nguwa ndiye mwari.
Right.
Shatika kurungira ndo shakatoya nazvo.
Yeah, man.
Zvinotanga muchingoronga ana mudhara region famous nana chipaza chingoti ko tikaisa Charly vasho dzotanga dziri nyaya. Kuti but bo mudhara anzama yaiti mufoni yetu mutsvaga. Chalobati kuti beside date ndiripo chinja date chaiso on for logistics
Right.
Moza mageto izuti Charly kuya. Zinoita kunge drama ka. Asi kuona zvinhu zvamataura zvizoitika zvinoreva kuti ndo zvanyaya zvakarongwa naMwari.
I blessed man. I do want to zvakarongwa negwara chero but zvakanimboti nemienzi kandimukwazisa timona. Yeah, man. I don't know if I call him Charly or Mr. Mendes, you know. Yeah, man. Welcome to Zimbabwe, saying that. Yeah. And the second time? All right.
No, third.
The third, yes. All right.
My third time in Zimbabwe.
Yes, man, it's a blessing to be with you here. And it's been long coming, and everybody was saying that we can't wait for Charly Black to come and grace us with some vibes. All right, tell us, what do we have to expect this coming Saturday on the Bandit Festival, since the Team Unstoppable is in the building? Yeah.
Right now, I just know I'm happy to reach safe. Big up the Almighty Father.
Straight.
Because we've been traveling from yesterday. You don't know.
Yeah, man.
As always, Charly Black, when I touch stage, my mother didn't so. Once the energy is there, which Zimbabwe fans them always give me the energy, so I know it's a mad thing.
Straight.
It's the first time Managee got up on a show officially. You don't know, big up Say Calaz.
Yeah, man.
So we know it's gonna be a bubbling party.
It's going to be a bubbling party, man.
So all our party animals, no matter which part of Zimbabwe you are, just remember so that get your tickets and come out early Saturday.
Alright.
Because it's gonna be a crazy movie.
Alright.
Action.
Yes, man, you can hear it for yourself, man. The big man I talk about said, man, this is a show not to this guy. This is one of the greatest one-night show. This is happening on the 2nd of May. Yeah, man, you don't know, so man, everything nice. But Charly Black, they get to you to ask me, at the time, can you ask Charly Black, can we expect a duet from Charly Black and Say Calaz? And I say, alright, no, I'll ask the big man and hear the response, you know.
Yeah, well, you know. Your collaboration work with me some of the time. So, me's a energy man. And so far, Mrs. Like is a humble youth.
Alright.
Isn't it? And I don't really like to do songs with an artist that don't help promote the song. So I don't know what type of artist is he, if he's a hard-working man like me or whatever.
Yes,
you have a vibe and we're there. Isn't it? So the collaboration is not impossible. But is what I've been through over the years with other artists. When time we do collab, and me alone end up promote the song, you understand? Nobody now do nothing, everybody away from me.
Yeah, exactly.
If me even tag a man in it, in a story or whatever, them just look, watch and move, then they repost. And I mean, I like that. I don't know if he's this type of a person.
Well, I think the Bandit can help push them the works. Yeah. Because I really trust the youth here. I've been watching this youth for so many years, and is somebody who's got the hunger of success. Yeah. Despite all the ups and downs, but Jano, he keeps on working. So I strongly believe that you will put some effort if you do something with him.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I mean, it's not impossible. It's just that what me afraid of, we do a song. And it's not being promoted
enough.
Both
parties, yes.
Understand? That is just my problem right now. That's why certain people, I don't want to do collaboration with them because too much ego and too much stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, straight.
So, one's no ego in it, we're good, man.
We're good to go. Alright, get to you, see it for yourself, man. It's not impossible. That's why Charlie back from the team Unstoppable saying that, you know, straight in bandit. Yeah, we are expecting him to mumble or something on from Kurush channel. We want one to push my weeks from both parties. So yeah, I think we should sit down and talk about it. What do you think about that, you know, bandit?
Ewe nyaka naka but imwe problem inoitika muzvinhu zvatoita inyaya kufunga kuti collaboration ndo rinomba ukama ndosaka uchiona kuti vanhu ndikunzwisa zvavaritaura ndosaka uchiona kuti vanhu vazhinji vanoita collaboration then sing together but vanongonopedza 10 years without sharing the stage because collaboration yakangoitika because tikufana kuita so ndobelieve kuti kuita show tese hakuna collaboration inopfuura kunge takagara tese pana.
Yes man, get to see it for yourself that the best collaboration that I've ever had is sitting with Charlie Black, you know. Yeah man, side to side, so that's one of the best collaborations that I give that. Alright, yeah, I may overstand what you're saying, but still this coming Saturday, shellings after shellings. I know someone with Team Unstoppable is in the building together with the bandits. It's going to be crazy. So yeah, Charlie, we have to know someone. People are saying that is Charlie going to perform with the band? Is going to... What do we have in store for that?
This time is a track show.
Yes, man. It's a track show. Yeah.
I want it to be a live band show, but based on what I go on, we have to work with the promoters. Because I'm an artist and I have to work with the promoters and I have to work with the DJs.
Alright.
Because that is what my career is about. Trying to respect a promoter's wish and what they can work with. I really want my return to be with live bands, but I'll say let's save it for another time.
We'll save it for another time.
Because we have more music coming out and other stuff. So it's not like I'm not going to return again to Zimbabwe. So next time, work on the live bands. Because I know that Zimbabwe haven't seen me on live bands before. So it will be an amazing feeling, you know what I mean? And an experience as well.
Yeah, man, but either way, we know someone are going to give us a splendid performance.
Yeah, man.
I know that. See,
not stupidness, no.
See that. Alright, see. So, yeah, according to any current projects that you're working on, and new singles, EP, album?
Alright, I have an album came out last year, August, but because of the storm, when we was about to promote most of the videos and all of the rest of the stuff them for the album, we got hit by a hurricane, a storm, mash up Jamaica. So we have to pause the whole project. The album is called Good Times.
Good Times.
Out.
Alright.
So I'm still promoting that album because I never got to last year because of what happened.
Oh, exactly.
You know, we could have moved, we could have leave the country, we could have fly, nothing. So we're still on that album promoting right now. As I said, the album is called Good Times. All the fans them, you can go out and stream it. I'm singing at least 4 songs of the album Saturday night.
Alright.
Better Than Me is one of them. Talk of the Town is one of them.
Right.
And 2 more girl songs.
Okay.
You see me?
Alright.
So at the album we are really focused on and just know so one of the fans and get familiar with the songs. You see it?
Alright.
Yeah.
So everybody who's locked down right about now, you have to know someone, you have to go and stream that album and listen to it and have some good time. You know how it is, man.
Good times. I remember when I sing songs to make people get bored.
Straight.
We keep the party alive.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, so all the party animals. Alright, Zayn, we can't wait for Saturday, Zayn. Bandit, any words that you want to say to your fans right about now?
Can also wear dance out. And you know, show I want dream on my side. I want to go to what's your ungochiri wadziwa because nyika yese ndokwari kuuya kana usiku unongori kupi kwangu aiwa ndoda kutenda madhara angu aita atisvidza panapa unoziva kuti tichange kuimba isusu takainspirewa neJamaica neartist and patinoita masini wayo tombotanga mashow stake but tikaona kunge culture yedu yakutange yakuremerwa todzokera unire sei kunomwa mukaga kune wadakatangira saka zviona kuti once in a while mapromoters anoti aiwa ngakumboya Charly Black ngakumboya Turbulence because hatikwanisi kurarama industry yedu isusu negenre yedu pasina kuuya vanhu vakaita sei vakati inspire kuti tiite zvinhu izvozvo so whenever panonzi pakuya artist wekuJamaica ashuya kushow imangoma ziya kuti zvoni mwari angaita sei Jesu anenge achimuka pachamuka vanhu vakawanda ende anenge ari ma1 so unongokumbira kuti vanhu vese wauye kuzosapota isi show yasei Calaz ishow yezimdanso zimdanso inorepresenta vanhu vakawanda kubva kuma DJ mafans vanhu vanotengesa pamusika kumashow vanogadzira maposta vanoprinta maposta vanonamira vakomana vemakombi ona so ndoukacha yedu so unongoti ngauye musi weSaturday timboratidza Charly kuti aiwa kugomba kwakamira sei because vakambouya kune long chain kambira mamwe but mugomba mugomba mune zvimwe zvakatosiyana yatimboratidza chi mafariro atinoita ende nokurudzira kuti paite runyararo hatidi tumaskiri tumwe twatuya tanga kukanda zvinhu kuti sei toda kungoshowa love ona kuti madhari edu anenge aisa mari kuita muzvinhu ngaisirwa mascreens ma-PA system ngativaratidze kuti aiwa isusu toita sei tobehave so tikudai kuti show ishare love waona kuti munhu wese tiri vanhu one yaman
supporting acts pane banana
vamwe vanotaurwa nemufana wangu tunge mufana wangu ndo basa rake mufana wangu ndikataura izvozvo angaundichaire
ndunge youth nanimli ndunge zviri sei hanzi mugoma wakada kuzvitsvara vanhu vacho vanenge vari mapoza zvokona kunetsa but ndunge wakarongere chi vanhu vanenge vachiti vanenge vakatikuta museSaturday tichenjure panofarwa danzi ratanga boza unoziva kuti aiwa pana ndunge ndobaza kuti pane energy aiwa atoziya hanzi imbotitaura kuti maatisanenge ari kuti apa unongotora 2-3 atungotaurwa nevari
ndizvozvo maartist ari kwakawandisa but vanenge vari kwafanirwa kwamazuva ano men of the moment changa ariko hulengende feminist changa iriko ana Shegu Fidel ane mamwe madzikoma angu ana mukoma Gifaya ana every artist wezimdanso
anenge ari aiwa saka blessed
aifanira kutanga nemukoma Kina uenda kuna Windi unaona Shinzo uzoenda kuna wafana wako wani
aiwatanakirwa zvedu kuti matitsika komatichata kuziva zviri kuitika musi weSaturday and everyone anofana kuuya then alright Charly, it's a blessing to be with you at CFM Studio. Wish you nothing but the best in your future endeavors. I know that we keep on giving us some party tunes and some nice tunes, you know. So we give thanks for that.
A mad thing, man. None of them about that down way. Them fool and them about down way. Mad long time and since lately. We cleaner than them while them fake it. Zimbabwe, so we both see it up, rough it up. Team unstoppable, I turn it up. Gala scream and a loss. But mind us a vent and a cuss. See you on Saturday, you know.
Yeah, but Team Unstoppable, man. You don't know the things said on Saturday. City Sports Center is the place to be.
This is how it should be done.
Nana nema badada, am nema so ngado varenyo wani. Nana nema badada nwe. Nana